Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can get notifications on my new weekly art lessons. And this time up, I have a sneak peek for another new watercolor class on my Skillshare. This one will be a nighttime scene with a blood moon and some clouds and a little bit of a galaxy effect with some stars. And I will go over how to set up all of your supplies and how to draw everything out and some of the tools that I will use. And you can see me mixing all the colors one by one there. And then how to layer everything properly to get that really nice glow effect. So if you have any interest in this, I will leave a full-length tutorial, a link to my Skillshare, and I always have an extra link to my profile as well in the description area down below. And you can feel free to check out my other classes as well. I have acrylic paintings and the watercolors. So there's lots to choose from. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.